Understand the term redox, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. So a redox reaction is a reaction that involves both oxidation and reduction. So it's redox. So looking back at our acronym oil rig, oxidation is loss, reduction is gain. We're going to expand this definition slightly to include the terms oxidizing agents and reducing agents. Now, one way of learning this is to learn this definition. So it is oxidized is the loss of electrons, is the increase in oxidation number, is the reducing agent. So I've just taken a snip of what we were doing earlier to look at how we can apply this definition in terms to what's going on in the equation here. So we can see that magnesium is oxidized because magnesium has lost 2 electrons because it's gone from Mg S to Mg2 plus. So you can see we've gone from an oxidation state of 0 in an element to an oxidation state of plus 2 in this ion here, so 0 to plus 2. So you can see there was an increase in oxidation number, there was a loss of electrons from Mg solid to Mg2 plus solid, and we will then define this as the reducing agent. So magnesium is the reducing agent, so the thing that has been oxidized itself is the reducing agent. Now, when we look at reduction, we just do the exact opposite for reduction. So, is oxidized is a loss of electrons. That means is reduced is the gain of electrons. And then, therefore, if is oxidized is an increase in oxidation number, then is reduced is is a decrease in oxidation number. And therefore, if the thing that is oxidized is the reducing agent, the thing that is reduced is the oxidizing agent. Okay, now moving back up to the definition again, we've got 2 important points here from the extra information given in the schema learning. So in terms of these terms are important when the terms oxidation and reduction are introduced. Students will therefore appreciate that reactive metals are strong reducing agents. So reactive metals are strong reducing agents. So let's have a think about this for a second. What does that actually mean? So in this example, we have magnesium is a reactive metal. So the magnesium is a reactive metal, and the magnesium has taken the place of the copper in the copper oxides, and the magnesium itself has been oxidized to give you magnesium oxide. So therefore, the magnesium is a strong reducing agent based on what I've just described. And then the second part then, and the ions of less reactive metals are strong oxidizing agents. So again, that's just talking about the opposite. So the copper ion it becomes reduced to give you copper metal. So therefore, the copper ion itself is a good oxidizing agent.